Birds and squirrels and bears, oh my. Today is Saturday, October 19th, fourth week of deer bow season. Haven't seen any deer. Seen flocks and flocks of finches and crows. My brother's down there turkey hunting and squirrel hunting. Shot his second squirrel and had to fight a bear for it. He didn't really fight the bear. He saw the bear, and first bear he's ever seen in the woods, black bear, here in Hillbilly Acres. First bear we've heard about on the property since we've owned the property. But he said he has some footage, so I'm hoping we can show that to you. But we're just being very careful because all we got is a shotgun. The rest of us got crossbows. Not much for fighting bears, so hopefully we won't have to fight anything. He said it ran over in the deep woods, and he said, I'm not going over there to squirrel hunt. And I said, yeah, they'll be smart. His daughter Cammie's birthday's today, birthday party, and he don't need to come up home mangled and mauled from bear. But we're having an exciting time, and there's never any dull moments in Hillbilly Acres, especially this year. This is the 6th year we've been here. I know I keep saying that, but I just love it that every year we've taken at least one deer out of here, and so we'll just keep on keeping on. We'll probably hunt here till around noon, and so we can bring you some good stories of what all we saw today. We out. All right, here's my infamous brother John, who saw the black bear here on Hillbilly Acres. Tell us what was going through your mind there. We got some beautiful footage we're gonna roll here in a little bit.
Well, all my life I've said I've wanted to see a black bear in the wild. Have never seen one. I'm 40 years old, and I was down there this morning squirrel hunting. Shot a squirrel out of the tree. Sure enough, as soon as he fell out of the ground, there was a black bear standing underneath the tree too. And I was like, nobody's gonna believe this because we didn't even think there was a bear really out here. And I started filming it. I got a little bit of footage, about maybe close to 2 minutes worth and stuff, so everybody see it. Then me and him got in a little scraffle over the or scuffle more over the squirrel. I thought he was gonna eat my squirrel that I shot there, so I was trying to run him off. He wasn't scared at all. He didn't get scared till I started backing out, and then he run off. Then he let out a roar. It was kind of interesting.
Yeah, I wish we'd got that on camera. Yeah, the camera footage is kind of shaky, so it looked like you had some adrenaline running there. I think I would have done peed my pants personally.
Yeah, he's probably within about 18 yards probably.
But I guess it's gonna be bear season here on Hillbilly Acres. We'll try a little bit of everything.
Yep.
Birds and squirrels and bears, oh my. Let's roll that beautiful bear footage. Get. Oh crap.